It's a total shock that Pushpa actor Allu Arjun is arrested as per the media reports. When Chandrababu Naidu conducted political rallies, 8 people died in Kandukur, 3 people died in Guntur, and in Puskaral time, Chandrababu did a huge stunt where 23 people died. Did the police arrest him? Did the police call him to the police station? Did the police question him? Wow! For powerful political leaders, one standard. For ordinary people and actors, other standard. చూడండి, పుష్ప యాక్టర్ అల్లు అర్జున్ ఇప్పుడు పోలీసులు అరెస్ట్ చేశారట. కారణం ఏంటి? ఆయన ఏదో సినిమాకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు బీడులో తల్లి కొడుకు చనిపోయారట.